Can you give me a brief introduction to Malta Citizenship by Investment Programme?
Well, until 2013, the only way to acquire citizenship was through birth, marriage, or naturalization. The need was felt for an investment route to be introduced to allow individuals making fundamental investments to the economy and the social life of Malta to be recognized as citizens of Malta. The basic principle of the Individual Investor Programme is that individuals should have clear rules for obtaining citizenship on the basis of their contribution to the Maltese economy.
When did the programme start?
Well, a less recent legal amendment was introduced in 2000 with the dual and multiple citizenship amendments allowing dual citizenship. Then in September 2013, changes were made to the Maltese Citizenship Act to pave the way for the introduction of a citizenship by investment programme. This was followed by a consultation process and extensive parliamentary debates to achieve consensus on the rules. Then in February 2014, the Individual Investment Programme rules were enacted. In the same month, our firm was the first to be approved by Identity Malta and the first applications were filed. In March 2014, the European Commission approved the Malta Individual Investor Programme on the introduction of a genuine link requirement.
What timeframes is an applicant to expect?
Before an actual citizenship application is filed, the first step is to take up residence in Malta. This implies a visit to Malta and the payment of a deposit of €5,000 on account of the contribution. On presenting a formal application, an accredited person should submit the essential supporting documents, and payments due are payments for due diligence fees, passport fees, and a deposit of €5,000 on account of the contribution, less any payments already made on account of contributions. Within 3 months, Identity Malta confirms the formal validity of the documents submitted, and within the 4th month, an in-principle approval is issued, conditional only to the fulfillment of the applicable obligations. That is, the balance on contribution needs to be paid within 25 days of approval, and approved candidates have a further 4 months to present evidence of property purchase or rental, as well as the €150,000 investment in bonds. The certificate of naturalization is issued not before 6 months from the initial application, but not later than 2 years. The time frame is subject to the 1-year residence genuine link requirement.
As an accredited person, what is your role in the application process?
The Identity Malta agency fulfills all expatriate requirements in relation to citizenship and residence. Identity Malta receives applications from accredited persons only. It also processes applications and conducts due diligence. The role of the accredited person is in conducting the first tier of due diligence prior to submission, preparing the application forms and supporting documentation, and handholding the applicant until final approval. Our law firm also provides pre-immigration tax and legal advice, asset protection, and tax-efficient wealth structuring.
This is an idea which is already used in various European countries. And we have decided to offer this opportunity for people who are high net worth to invest in Malta in this national fund, which will be used for the benefit of the fellow Maltese citizens. And in that way, they will obtain Maltese citizenship. The idea of this national fund is to better our schools, our hospitals, our social security system. Malta is doing very well, but I think we can do better. I mean, Malta has a very good economy. We have decreased the taxes. We have we're creating jobs, but we believe that this fund can help us to achieve better goals for the sake of our own citizens.